Architect the modern web. Master React and React Native through a definitive, industry standard curriculum built for total professional mastery. Build once and deploy everywhere. Bridge the gap between sleek web interfaces and powerful native mobile applications with ease. Precision is everything. We provide 147 learning objectives across 29 deep dive chapters to ensure your absolute success. Gain deep technical density with 29 comprehensive chapters, 15 hands on labs, and 243 knowledge quizzes. Master the essential building blocks, from core React and JSX to advanced state management, TypeScript, and sophisticated navigation patterns. Begin your journey by mastering the React core. Learn to build scalable, high-performance user interfaces using modern hooks and smart event handling. Unlock the true power of native mobile development. Share your business logic seamlessly across platforms for a unified and efficient coding experience. Ensure your applications remain robust and error-free. Integrate professional-grade TypeScript to build safer, more scalable systems for the future. Elevate your career with professional-grade certification. Validate your skills through a rigorous, project-based learning path designed for industry leaders. Unlock elite career opportunities as a front-end engineer, React Native developer, or a high-level full-stack architect with significant earning potential. Start your transformation today. Enroll now to secure your path toward becoming a top-tier web and mobile development expert. Need more details? Reach out to our team anytime at support@uCertify.com for assistance.